And Harvey!
You can't and Harvey. Bye, Carly.
Right, should we start again?
What's up, guys? It's Max and Harvey. Let's go talk world! I don't need to shout. Today, we are doing a special X Factor mystery quiz.
We are, and I will be doing it, and I'm Carly. So, you guys have always wanted to be singers, haven't you?
Yeah, this is
right?
true.
So, this is a dream, may I say?
Yes, very much so. We're very happy.
No, it's not. It's reality.
So, when you were younger, did you ever watch X Factor?
Yes, all the time. I flicked it
So-
on every so often.
You should know some of the golden oldies, some of the success stories that came from
This
it.
is where all of this goes to... I know quite a bit, yeah.
So, if we test you on some blind, so I'm just going to play them to
I might
you.
cry. Okay.
And you're going to have to guess. It's a
we have to guess who it is?
Yes.
Right, okay.
Against each other.
Okay.
And you're going to have some buzzwords. So your buzzer is going to be your name in the X Factor voice.
Carry on.
Do we want to practice?
Why am I doing the X Factor voice? Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Do we want to practice your...
Yes.
Ready?
Practice my buzzer. Max!
And Harvey!
You can't and Harvey, you're just Harvey. Oh, okay. Max!
Who is it?
Just because of that riff at the start, and because he's here this weekend, is it James Arthur?
You're right.
Is it actually?
Yeah!
I did know that,
Get
but I
in
was just
there.
waiting, I was like, please get it wrong.
You got out to your buzzer, didn't you? That's what
Yeah,
I'm
honestly, I was like, I wanted to go, and I was like, oh.
what is my name?
Oh.
Right. Are you ready?
Where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home?
Max! Oh, it's not Gabs, is it? 'Cause she was Britain's Got Talent. No. Harvey! Is it Little Mix?
Who from Little Mix?
Oh damn. What?
They were
Max! No, it's still my turn! No, we're not doing that. Swipe! Hang on, I only know like 2 of their names, I think. There's one called Jade, I think. Yeah, probably. Is it Jade? Is it right?
Is that your answer?
I'll take that!
Yeah,
I'll take
it was
that!
Jade.
I will take that! Oh, hang on, I remember this one. Hang on. Sexy thing. Oh, no, don't let us see it. Don't let us see it. Oh, Max! Is it Liam Payne?
No.
Okay, wait. Play again.
I'm trying to, but the volume's going here, there, and everywhere.
I'm not gonna look.
Right.
Harvey.
Yes.
Is that Ollie Murs?
Yes. It's right.
Isn't she precious?
Max. Morgan Freeman.
Less than 1 minute old. I never thought.
Oh, Harvey. That's Louis, isn't it?
No.
Be
Louis Thomas.
as lovely as she. Isn't she lovely? Made from
Max. Harry Styles.
Yes.
Yeah. I was like listening for the voice. I was like, do I recognise that? See, that sounded like Louis.
Well, you can cry now,
Oh, what? It sounds like Michael Bublé.
I cried.
Definitely not Michael.
Max, correct me if I'm wrong. Kylie Minogue.
From the X Factor, you know that Kylie?
Yeah. Hang on.
Are you?
You know, that is Kylie. Yeah. I remember hearing this audition, but I don't know who it is. I'm going through. Is it quite a famous one? Ah, it's got to be someone like a One Direction member, hasn't it? Harvey, Liam Payne.
Yes.
As soon as you said One Direction, I then went, yeah, that's Liam Payne. No. You went, yeah, because she nodded. Also, yeah.
Right. So we think that Harvey won this round.
I got 3. Yeah. And I said Morgan Freeman.
Winner.
That just makes me anyway. Winner. Loser.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go. I hope you liked the video.
Bye.
It's
Let's all be friends. Bye. That's the classic girl
Let us know
talk
what you think in the
catchphrase that we all
comments
know
and
and
like
love.
and subscribe.
Let's all be friends.
I'm not.
Genuinely,
sorry.
I didn't see that one, so I'm just.
Oh, did you hear
Is it
that?
Perry Edwards?
Oops, the daisy.
Who
Right,
is this?
next.
I am Perry Edwards.
Is it? What's your name?
Oh no!
Niall! It's Niall from One Direction. Harvey, same.
No.
Do I get the point? Do I get the point?